An historic day in Nebraska. Same-sex couples will soon be able to get married. This morning, a federal judge struck down the ban that stopped the marriages. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Josh Egbert is live in Lincoln with more details on today's ruling. Josh?
Well, Jen, this is the issue from Judge Joseph Battalion. In it, he says that all couples have the right to marry regardless of gender, but not everyone agrees. Shortly after this was released, the Attorney General's office here in Lincoln filed their appeal.
The ruling itself means that the state of Nebraska has to allow same-sex couples to marry in Nebraska.
The right to marry, that's the ruling from Judge Joseph Battalion as he strikes down Nebraska's ban on same-sex marriage.
Judge Battalion stayed this order until next Monday, the 9th, to give the state a chance to adjust to the ruling, get procedures in place.
Michael Fenner is a professor of constitutional law at Creighton University. He says while this does appear to be a victory for same-sex couples, they won't be running down to the courthouse.
The practical effect is it gives them a week to take it to the 8th Circuit. It gives the state a week to take it to the 8th Circuit and try to get them to stay the ruling.
As promised, Attorney General Doug Peterson filed an appeal with the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals asking the court to issue a stay on the ruling.
The reason we are appealing is because the 8th Circuit has ruled once before that this constitutional amendment is constitutional and upholds the scrutiny of the constitutional analysis.
Attorney General Peterson and Governor Pete Ricketts told reporters this afternoon that while they know this is a difficult time for families, they are upholding the constitutional laws.
I will work with the Attorney General here to continue to uphold the Constitution, and that we will continue to try to uphold the will of the people here of Nebraska.
Governor Ricketts says in 2000, 70% of Nebraskans voted to define a marriage as that of a man and a woman. He says the voters should change the definition, not a judge. So what does this all mean? Well, the Attorney General filed an emergency stay with the 8th Circuit Court this afternoon. They can either issue that stay, meaning that the county clerks will not be able to issue a marriage license for same-sex couples beginning on Monday, or they could deny it, meaning that those licenses would be issues. Now, something to keep in mind, the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals did deny Missouri's appeal to allow same-sex marriages in that state, so we'll wait and see what that court has to say. We're live tonight in Lincoln. Josh Egbert, KMTV Action 3 News.